Python is very famous for its simple programming syntax, code readability, and English-like commands. It is highly productive as compared to other programming languages. If you are just a beginner, then I highly recommend you to follow up with this series to learn the basics of Python programming. To start, head over to python.org to download the Python installer. Once download is completed, open the installer, make sure to check the Add Python to Path checkbox to be able to run the Python command from the command line. When the installer is complete, open the CMD and type Python. This will open the Python shell where we can execute Python commands and instantly get results. Python is quite simple. It understands numbers. Whenever I give it a number, it will turn it back. Entering an alphabet will throw an error because we still did not define that alphabet to be recognized by the Python interpreter. Python supports all the math operations that you'd expect, including the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Power is represented using double star symbols. Python is powerful and can handle very large numbers. To output a message to the screen, use the print function. It is worth noting that a message must be quoted, else an error will be raised. This was a brief introduction to the basics of Python syntax. I hope you like it. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and until next time.